Kenya Airways is banking on its turnaround strategy to steer back the airline into making profits. The latest news of the airline securing a consultant to drive the revival of the airline could just be a sign of better days to come. Kenya Airways already received 26 billion shillings from the national government as part of the rescue package.
The National Aviation and Management Bill of 2020 is in the parliamentary process. We are not sure where it is now. I think it was delayed last year. It was in its second reading, and I'm not sure when it's coming back to Parliament for its second reading. So that process is out of our control. So we would think that when it comes back, then the other process would start. And in the meantime, we continue to see other alternative ways in which we can ensure the security and future of Kenya Airways.
In its first review of the 256 billion shilling program, the IMF noted that the consultant was supposed to do a health check of the loss-making airline as part of the state-led restructuring process that will see close to 20 state-owned enterprises purged. Kenya Airways has since appointed Steer Group as part of its turnaround strategy in what is aimed at helping the cash-strapped company stay afloat.
We have strategies in place, and their role and responsibility is to look at those strategies and offer any additional recommendations or maybe some amendments that they would recommend so that we can come out stronger on the other side. This report will be submitted to us because we are the ones who engage them, and obviously, therefore, we will submit this to National Treasury and onward to, I believe, IMF.
The coronavirus pandemic has significantly affected the aviation business worldwide, with Kenya Airways chairman projecting the nearest bounce back to be in 5 years' time.
It looks like, if you look at all the projections of airlines around the world, the IATA predictions, probably 2024 is probably the earliest that we can start to see an upturn and a return to some normalcy in the aviation business. You know, it takes a long time to get people back in flying. All these restrictions that we've had have to be lifted and so on. So I think realistically, we can't see anything before 2024. Next year, 2022, is elections in Kenya. That's always a downturn in terms of revenue for us.
Vivian Wandera, KTN News.